Morning everyone, John with azWHOLEistic and CBD Studio and Dispensary here in Phoenix. We've noticed over the past several weeks that we're averaging about 30 to 40 phone calls per day, but we're only getting about 4 or 5 voice messages. So I just want to let people know if we do not answer the phone, it's only because we're in front of a customer, face-to-face, discussing their condition and how we can help them with that, which is the same thing we would do for you when you come into the store. We do spend a lot of time with each customer because we want to do everything in our power to help them with regard to their nutraceutical needs, whether it's CBD, whether it's moringa, whether it is diet and exercise. We spend a lot of time with our customers. So if you don't leave a message, we cannot call you back to answer your question. So please feel free to leave messages for us and we'll do our best to get back to you at the end of the day if we can't during the day. Now remember, all CBD is not equal. We test an average of 4 products each month and we find that there are much lower levels of CBD than the bottle is indicating. One thing you can be sure of here at azWHOLEistic is that all of our products test at a minimum of what's on the label. Our 500 milligram tests over 500 at about 523. Our 600 milligram CBD bottle tests at 625. And our 1000 milligram bottle tests at 1068. So if you want the highest quality lab-made CBD, if you also are looking for hops-based CBD, which is not hemp-based, swing by azWHOLEistic at the southwest corner of Tatum and Thunderbird. And once you leave, you'll also have our special reorder page so that you can reorder your product online. So swing by the store, we look forward to meeting you. And remember, every product we have, we've got our certificate of analysis to prove what's in the bottle. Thanks so much. Hope to see you soon.